You're now listening to Alexander Chess Music.
Coming through again with another video too. You done know I'm gonna be doing an expansion tank change on my E70 X5. Enjoy the video. So this is my E70 X5. It currently has 117,000 miles on it. As you can see, the expansion tank bust up. It is normally, the bus is pretty much around here, and you can see it got over the engine and everything. These are signs that the expansion tank has failed. Normally you'll see some water at the bottom of the car on the side. So if you ever see water coming from the side of your car, not from the middle but from the side, it's definitely the expansion tank leaking. So yeah, honestly, these things fail at any moment in time. Luckily mine isn't as bad, but I like to do preventative maintenance and things, so before it gets even worse, I just thought, let me just change it out and thing. It's really simple too. It's just pretty much this hose that right here, taking off 1, 2 screws. Those are 10s, by the way. And also there's another hose just like this one at the bottom, if you can see it. Yeah. As well as the clamp. So I'm gonna do those type of things. Right, just I know. So this is pretty much how much it cost. I actually got it at Lauderdale BMW in Fort Lauderdale. It cost $109. It's the expansion tank, normally 135, but you know what, because I'm so awesome, I got it for 109. Coming true. So anyways, this is the expansion tank. Look how sealed it looks. This is OEM. The sensor comes at the bottom. It does not come with a top. BMW does not give you a top for it. I guess I'm gonna have to just transfer the top. Thanks, BMW. But yeah, this is how it comes. It comes in this cool box too. So let's see what else. Yeah, pretty much it. Cool. Also, these are all the tools you guys are going to need. A flathead screwdriver with a star head, if anything. This tool normally comes with the BMWs, all BMWs, so you should have it in the back of your car. And you're gonna also need a 10mm with an extension. Well, not really an extension, but it's always good to have. So, let's begin. One. Should I do the other one as well too? Ooh. Two. Alright, then the next thing I want to do is take off this. So don't lose these. These are very important. Very hard to replace too. I think BMW wants like $10 for this. Don't lose it. Watch me lose it. I want to take off that hose. Boop. Alright, so how am I get to the bottom? So I'm thinking about, so I don't have to move this thing, I'll just put it all the way up and then disconnect it from the bottom. Oh, we have to take off that sensor. So there's also a sensor at the bottom you guys have to take off too. Ooh. So, see how this is all dripping down. Anyways, that's the sensor right there, alright? And then that right here is what I'm trying to take off. There's a pin in there. They're kind of hard to get to, but it's not impossible. So I'm gonna fast forward or just shoot to the next. After you guys get all that out, water's gonna start coming out from there. I'm gonna actually hold it up so a lot doesn't come out, but yeah, I was able to take it out. So you guys, I was able to put on the bottom hose, with the clamp on and everything, and the sensor behind it. I couldn't film it because I'm a one-man squad, and it's kind of hard to film doing that and holding a camera. But yeah, you guys should be able to get the gist. I just hooked back up the hose and then the sensor. And now what I have left to do now is to just put this in here. One-man squad, yo. The important clip. You should just be able to just do this. And yeah, you should be good. And then you just do reverse how you took it out the first time. Just putting on the screws. So I'm gonna do that right now. Also, you guys, always use the blue liquid coolant. You can pick this up at Advanced Auto for like 30 bucks. They're 30 bucks a pop, but you can also just mix it with oil as well too. Not oil, but water. This man just said oil, LOL. Anyways, yeah, just mix it with, you can mix it with water, regular water. You can just pour in the blue coolant and then add water to it as well. So, but yeah, this is the best coolant I would recommend. So I had this truck running for quite some time. You should see some bubbles. That indicates that your water pump is still good. I did add the blue coolant, you guys, but there was some green coolant in there from before, so I guess it just took it over, but I guess it should be okay. Later down the road, I'm going to do a coolant flush, because I don't like that green water to be in myself, but everything looks like to be good. I'm pulling back this cover. Everything looks like to be good. I don't see any leaks or anything down there, so I have the AC on full blast. There's not really a bleeding procedure for this truck. They pretty much tell you to just, refill back up the water tank and just let it run and then watch for any leaks. But yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more content and thing. And yeah, coming true.